This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to get red bricks in Lego Jurassic World. These special bricks are hidden throughout the game's expansive free play areas. Finding them is only the first step. Once discovered, you'll need to purchase them to activate their unique effects. These bricks offer fantastic cheats and multipliers, making your journey through the dinosaur-filled islands even more exciting and rewarding. Let's dive into how you can track down these valuable collectibles and put them to good use. Discovering these hidden red bricks often involves clever use of your character and dinosaur abilities. For example, you might need to use a gyrosphere to launch into a rock wall, then switch to a T-Rex to roar and break an orange brick. Another brick can be found by having a small Compsognathus travel through hollow logs. In the Pachycephalosaurus arena, a Dilophosaurus can spit at 8 targets to reveal a brick. Exploring every nook and cranny with diverse abilities is key to uncovering these secrets. Once you've successfully located a red brick, your next step is to purchase and activate it. You can do this by visiting one of the terminals found in the game, specifically at the Visitor Center or on Main Street. The cost for each brick varies. For example, the Attract Studs brick costs 100,000 studs. For a significant boost, the Studs ×4 multiplier can be acquired for 1 million studs. After purchase, simply activate it from your menu to enjoy its benefits. Red bricks provide incredible benefits, transforming your gameplay experience. Imagine multiplying your stud collection by 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 10 times. Other bricks include the Minikit detector, which guides you to all 10 hidden Minikits in every level. To find them all, remember to explore every free play area meticulously. Switch between various characters and dinosaurs, using their unique skills to solve puzzles and access previously unreachable spots. Happy hunting, and enjoy your enhanced adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.